If we're given a problem with the slope of the AE curve and a change in autonomous expenditure, remember our autonomous components are investment, government, and exports. So if we are trying to figure out what's going to happen to equilibrium expenditure or real GDP, this is a two-part problem. So if the slope of the AE curve is 0.8 and investment decreases by $50, by how much will equilibrium expenditure decrease? So the first thing we have to do is calculate the multiplier. And remember, the multiplier formula is going to be 1 over 1 minus the slope of the AE curve. So we're given that information, so we have 1 over 1 minus 0.8, which is 1 over 0.2, which is 5. Okay, so if the slope of the AE curve is 0.8, investment decreases by $50, then we're going to try to find the change in equilibrium expenditure. And the formula for that is the change in autonomous expenditure times the multiplier. So we know the change in autonomous expenditure, investment, remember IG or X or autonomous, is 50. So that's going to be negative 50. Okay, it decreased by 50. And then the multiplier we just calculated at 50. So it's going to be negative 50 times 5 is negative 250. So equilibrium expenditure would decrease by 250. So again, it's a two-step problem. First, calculate the multiplier, then the change in equilibrium expenditure, the change in real GDP. Those two are equivalent, change in equilibrium expenditure, change in real GDP.